My name is Carl Maynard Isamejo, and this is the presentation about implicit differentiation and how to get the first and second derivative. So, as you can see, meron na akong nakasulat na given dito. So, our given would be x cubed plus y cubed equals 1. So, paano natin una itong gagawin? Ano yung derivative ng x cubed? Derivative ng x cubed would be 3x squared, tas ano yung derivative ng y cubed? Magiging siyang 3y squared. Now, of course, hindi mawawala yung dy dx kasi yun nga yung hinahanap natin. So, derive naman natin yung 1. So, since constant siya, maging derive niya would be 0. So, yun na siya. 3x squared plus 3y squared dy over dx equals to 0. So, paano natin i-isolate yung dy over dx? Para ma-isolate natin siya, yung 3x squared, ilipat natin siya to the right side. So, kumbaga, nakikita nyo dito, it is 3x squared positive. Pag linipat natin siya, it would be negative 3x squared. Yan. As yung 3y squared, bring down lang natin siya. 3y squared. Yung dy dx, bring down natin siya. So, since na-transfer ang 3x squared, yan na siya, negative. And, para fully isolate natin siya, let's divide both sides with 3y squared. So, y squared over 3y squared. So, cancel ito. So, ayun na siya. Tapos, ito na siya. dy over dx is equivalent to negative 3x over 2. Negative 3x squared over 3y squared. So, hindi pa tayo tapos yan. Cancel din natin dito yung dalawang 3. So, yan na-cancel. So, our final answer would be dy over dx is equivalent to negative x squared over y squared. Ito ang ating first derivative. Now for the second derivative, let's write down d squared y over dx squared. So, since it is a fraction nga, this would be quotient rule. Quotient rule. Then, let's say negative x squared is f. Thus, y squared would be g. So, yung magiging f prime na yan natin, like this, it would be negative 2x. Then yung g prime natin would be 2y. So, wag natin kalimutan yung dy dx. So, ayan siya. Then, what is the formula para sa quotient rule? Yung gamitin na formula kapag sa quotient rule would be g multiplied by f prime subtracted to f multiplied by g prime all over g squared. So, since given na ang ating formula, gawin na natin siya. So, una, g. So, g natin is y squared. So, y squared multiplied by f prime, which is negative 2x minus f would be negative x squared. Let's multiply ulit kay g prime. It would be 2y dy dx all over g squared. So, since g squared ito, as yung nakuha natin given dito is y squared, magiging siyang y to the fourth. Ayan siya, y to the fourth. Now, let's answer it na. Una, gagawin natin, yung negative 2x, i-multiply siya sa y squared. So, isusulat natin, it would be negative 2x y squared. Next, yung 2y and yung negative x squared, pag-multiply din sila. So since dalawang negative ito, it would be positive 2x squared y. Now, lagyan naman natin dy dx. Yung dy dx naman natin is negative x squared over y squared. Yun yung dy dx natin. Over y raised to 4. Now, di pa tayo tapos dito, syempre. Next na gagawin naman natin, itong dy dx natin, yung negative x squared over y squared, i-multiply natin siya dito sa 2x squared y. So, magiging negative 2x y squared minus 2x raised to 4 over y. That's all over y to the 4th. Now, yung next naman natin gagawin is that we would multiply it by y. Then, let's distribute it from here, pati here. Sa part na to. So, dito sa baba, of course, dito. Now, once we multiply it by y, our answer, the answer that we will get would be negative 2x y cubed minus 2x raised to 4. Then, over y raised to 5. Now, paano natin i-finalize itong answer natin? Yung gagawin natin dito, okay, equals natin, is ilalabas yung value na negative 2x. So, since nandito siya, yan nga, nakikita nyo, negative 2x y cubed minus 2x raised to 4 over y raised to 5. So, ilalabas natin yung value na negative 2x dito sa taas. So, that would be negative 2x parenthesis y cubed plus x cubed all over y 5. Ito na ang ating second derivative. So as you can see, we answered the first derivative, which was yung dy dx natin, is yung negative x squared over y squared. And yung second derivative natin, which is yung negative 2x multiplied by y cubed plus x cubed over y raised to 5.